Hello, my name is Fawn Galli. I'm a New York-based interior designer and author of Magical Rooms. This is my townhouse in Brooklyn, Carroll Gardens. I moved in 10 years ago, and I'm excited to show it to you. This is my living room. It's the heart and soul of my house. I wanted to create a disco jungle referencing different moments in my life. I really wanted a space that had reflective elements. You can see I used a Florence Broadhurst wallpaper, which reflects the light and is really important, especially in the middle of a townhouse. Behind me is a white leather Chesterfield sofa. Brings an element of rock and roll, but it's also highly practical. And of course, my life-size deer that I found at the flower market to bring an element of surprise and also a bit of whimsy. My favorite item in this room are my drapes. I love their chartreuse color. I love to use pops of color, but I use them sparingly, so they're strong, but they're not overwhelming. Across from my living room is a dining room, and this is the true hub of the home. We have Milo Boffman-style dining chairs with white leather, bookcases built in. We read books near the window and our hot pink Milo Boffman chairs. And I love the acrylic chandelier. And then the most important part of my dining room is my African gray parrot, Marcel. Now that I've shown you the public spaces, I'd like to invite you downstairs to show you my master bedroom. In the master bedroom, I took a lot of the sensibility of the fantasy forest from my parlor floor, but made it a more subdued version of it. I have two French doors walking into my garden, and I like to think of the garden as an extension of my bedroom. The wallpaper was selected in tonalities, so subtle, but still the pattern of iguanas in the tropics. I love the burnt orange upholstered headboard and white linens with Pertese pink flower sheet. In the corner I have a simple shelf with all of my hats and jewelry and all of the fun things that I like to wear. I think it's important in a master to have the interior reflect your dreams back to you in the place where you dream. Thank you so much for touring my home. I hope you were inspired by the pops of color and mix of styles that bring vitality to any home. And thank you for coming.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?